Money. You the pretty girl? Pretty girl. Where you trying to go? Where you trying to go, mama? Huh? Yeah. You making all of them bubbles with your mouth? Huh? You making all of them bubbles? You do that? You do that, pretty girl? Money. You talking? What you talking about, girl? What you talking about, girl? Yeah. That's what happened? That's what happened? Money. That is a lot of spit, girl. Why is you making all of these spit bubbles, girl? Tell the grandma hi. You say hi, grandma? You say hi, grandma? Huh? You told the grandma hi? You say hi, grandma? Hi, grandma. Hi, grandma. You like kisses? Why you making all that spit, girl?